Lord Ramachandra said, but you have been in another man's house for so long. So therefore, I cannot accept you back. Now that you have been rescued, you feel free to go wherever you want. If you want to be with Lakshmana or with Vibhishana or Sugriva or anybody else, you are most welcome. I have no objection. Be happy wherever you are. He caught hold of my hand, made me sit on his lap, all these things against my wishes. I was helpless. Even in that circumstance, not for 1 second did my heart flutter even a little bit from your lotus feet. So Ramachandra had two things in mind. She turned to Lakshmana and she told, please set up a fire and set it on fire. I will enter. Not a single monkey on the side of Ramachandra died, whereas the entire dynasty, entire army of Ravana was wiped out. In the Vedic times, if a man abducts a woman who is already married to somebody else, then that man should be given the death sentence.
You are a real feminist in that sense.
Naham varayami sutam. The word suta does not mean Shudra. It was Karna's needling. It was his idea to bring Draupadi and to destroy Harisasa.
Charity was stuck. So that was injustice, right? And
so in the Vedic society, there was no breakup at all. Drishtadyumna introduced himself to Dronacharya. I am Drishtadyumna, son of Drupada, born to kill you.
Maybe it is called nepotism or favoritism.
Why is the Brahmana most highly revered? Unfortunately, in today's world, we talk about so much about rights of human beings. We never talk about the rights of the poor animals. Chindyam swabaho api vaha pratikula vrittim. Narayana says, if my arm were to rise against you, I will not hesitate to chop it off.